Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of the search history of your Google account. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to open Google app. So normally you have to search here Google and you will get an icon like this. Open it. And if you click on this search bar, you will see all of the lists that you have searched before. And now we are going to delete all of them. Let's see how we can do it. Click on your profile icon and from here choose search history. Now you will see all of the lists that you have searched before. You can delete them manually by selecting one by one, but it will take so much time. But if you want to delete all of them in a single click, choose this delete option, and from here you can choose the time range or you can delete all of them. So I'm choosing delete all time, and from here check the boxes that you want to delete, choose next, delete, and that's it. Now your search history is totally clean and clear. Now you have to refresh the page. And if you click again on this search button, you will see that all of the history has been deleted. So thanks for watching. Now you know how to delete all of the search history of your Google ID. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.